Welcome to our introduction of Ready, Set, Go Newcomers Kit. This kit is designed just for newcomers in grades 6 through 12 to build their confidence as readers and communicators, both in and out of the classroom. Mature visuals engage older students, and lessons develop vocabulary and life skills through activities in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Included in the kit are student books, annotated teacher's editions with audio, a picture dictionary, and flashcards. Let's begin with a look at the student books. There are 3 sequential books with lessons that progress from phonics to social communication to academic language. In Book 1, lessons begin with a unit on phonics and then move on to fundamental topics. Each lesson includes 3 parts. In Part 1, students will hear new vocabulary and information about a topic. They'll repeat the language in order to understand the correct pronunciations and answer questions from spoken text. In Part 2, they'll have an opportunity to practice their speaking skills with others in a casual setting. Sentence frames and sentence starters model appropriate responses. And in Part 3, students will write using the words they've learned in a variety of ways. Each unit ends with additional skills practice and a quick assessment. Book 2 follows the same format as the first book, with lessons progressing to more advanced topics. In Book 3, students will be introduced to academic-focused topics and an expanded lesson format. In addition to the listening, speaking, and writing activities, students will now read a passage related to the topic and engage in close reading activities to help them pull meaning from the text. Passages are chunked to make reading more manageable and aid in comprehension. Grammar skill activities now end the lessons. Included in all 3 of the student books are reference tools and a vocabulary notebook. Now let's take a look at the annotated teacher's editions. Here you can choose lessons based on the topic or focus you would like to target. Units and lessons can be used in any sequence. Throughout the lessons, you will find suggested pacing guidelines, clear goals and vocabulary, page-by-page directions and teaching strategies, opportunities for using audio files, and recommendations to help you differentiate instruction and encourage student involvement. Also included in the kit are a picture dictionary and flashcards. The picture dictionary features simple photographs and words to reinforce the vocabulary students are learning in the books. Use the flashcards to provide visual reinforcement for the lessons and differentiate instruction as suggested throughout the teacher's edition. This wraps up our walkthrough of Ready, Set, Go Newcomers Kit. If you'd like to see these materials firsthand, visit our website to request a free sample.